What's up, guys? Got another unboxing to do. You probably know the name of the title. Yes! Project Zone. So finally doing an unboxing. I got this a couple days early, but I was so busy, so yeah, I know it came out last week over here in Europe. So yeah, finally doing an unboxing, and the game is finally officially out in the States and Europe. So yeah, so let's start. Unpack this. I thought this game will never come out over here because they never released a Namco X Capcom. Never saw that. Got that release. I played it. I used to have the bootleg PS2, so yeah, I used to chip my PS2. So anyway, there you go. Here's the game. Really nice. Talks about the game, and I put the fan on because it's so damn hot today. So yeah. Okay, let's open this up. And it's Nintendo Point stuff. Oh, it came with a free poster. I thought. Okay, check that. So, got the Nintendo Points. I'm going to show you that. Ooh. And here's the booklet. Well, it's not really much a booklet, isn't it? Why it's got this so many different languages? Whatever. And they came with a poster because they didn't release the special edition over here, but they did release the special edition to the prize over here. So only lucky one person can get that. The poster's really small. I might display this somewhere. At least they give the poster though. Display that later on. But the main thing is the game. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Sure. Ooh, I just popped that for me. And here we go. Here's the game. Woohoo! This small little thing. Project Zone. Seriously. Finally got it. Well, I got this. I was so busy with my friends one, so yeah. But finally though, really nice. And there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace, and more to come. I'm out of here.